San Antonio Water System Standard Specifications for Construction. Item No. 828. Gate Valves. 828.1 Description: this item shall consist of gate valves installed in accordance with these specifications and as directed by the engineer. 828.2 Reference Standards. Reference standards cited in the specification item number 828 refer to the current reference standard published at the time of the latest revision date. 1. San Antonio Water System, SAWS. A. Specifications for water and sanitary sewer construction. B. SAWS Materials Specifications. 2. City of San Antonio, COSA, Specifications for Construction. 3. Texas Commission of Environmental Quality, TCEQ, Chapter 290 Public Water Supply. 4. American Society for Testing and Materials, ASTM, International. ASTM A307, Standard Specification for Carbon Steel Bolts and Studs, 60,000 Psi Tensile. B. ASTM B62, Standard Specification for Composition Bronze or Ounce Metal Casting. C. ASTM D429, Standard Test Methods for Rubber Property Adhesion to Rigid Substrates. D. ASTM B763, Standard Specification for Copper Alloy Sand Casting for Valve Application. 5. American Water Works Association, AWWA. AWWA C500, Standard for Metal Seated Gate Valves for Water Supply Service. BAWWA C509, Standard for Resilient Seated Gate Valves for Water Supply Service. CAWWA C515, Standard for Reduced Wall, Resilient Seated Gate Valves for Water Supply Service. DAWWA C550, Standard for Protective Epoxy Interior Coatings for Valves and Hydrants. 828.3 Submittals. Contractor shall submit manufacturer's product data, instructions, recommendations, shop drawings, and certifications. All submittals shall be in accordance with engineer's requirements and submittals shall be approved prior to delivery. 828.4 Materials. The materials for all gate valves shall conform to the specifications contained within the latest revision of SAWS Material Specification Item No. 21-02, Resilient Seated Gate Valves and Tapping Valves. 828.5 Construction. Gate valve installation shall include valve, reaction blocking, conforming to standard drawing DD828 series, cast iron boot, valve box extension, having ductile iron riser pipe, valve box, concrete collar, and valve box lid shall be constructed with number 3 bars all around. 1. The valve box shall be placed in such a manner to prevent shock or stress being transmitted to the valve. 2. All valves shall have operational nut within 6 feet of finish elevation. 3. The contractor shall install fully adjustable valve box and valve key extension systems, on all valves located between 6 feet and 13 feet. 4. Adjustable valve box and valve key extension systems shall be centered over the valve's operating nut with the box cover flush with the finished pavement surface or located at another level as directed by the engineer. 5. Valve boxes located in streets or other areas subject to vehicular traffic shall be provided with concrete collars as shown in these standard drawings. 6. Collars around such valve boxes shall be formed and finished off neatly and in a sound workmanlike manner. 7. All valves outside of pavement area may be subject to valve marker at the direction of the inspector at no additional payment. 8. Tracer wire shall be utilized for location and taped directly to the pipe. A tracer wire shall be properly spliced at each end connection and each service connection. B. Tracer wire shall be adequately wrapped and protected at each splice location in accordance with manufacturer recommendations. C. No bare tracer wire shall be accepted. D. Wire shall also come up to the top of valve extensions and fire hydrant stems, as directed by the inspector. E. Tracer wire shall be utilized for location purposes and taped directly to the top of pipe. F. Detection tape cannot be used in lieu of tracer wire. G-tracer wire shall be of solid core, 14 gauge insulated, and shall be taped to the main in minimum of 10-inch increments. 9 in high pressure zones, all valves 6 inches and larger shall be supported on a concrete pad in accordance with standard drawings DD828 series. 828.6 Measurement. Gate valves and valve boxes will be measured by the unit of each such assembly of the various sizes of gate valves and valve boxes installed to the finished grade. 828.7 Payment. Payment for gate valves, complete with valve box, will be made at the unit price bid for each assembly of the various sizes of gate valves and valve boxes installed. Payment shall also include excavation, selected embedment material, anti-corrosion embedment, hauling, and disposition of excavated surplus material, backfill, flowable fill, T-racer WIRE, concrete collar at the valve box, where subjected to vehicular traffic, riser pipe, cast iron boot, packing, tar paper, concrete grout, concrete reaction blocking, protective coating material for bolts, nuts, ferrous surfaces, valve marker, and polyethylene sleeve. 1. Materials paid on site will be in accordance with Table 1 of Specification Item Number 100 Mobilization.